Miss Ella Josa, welcome back to my channel! So first step, to start our Picasso portrait, first off is we are going to open our PowerPoint presentation. By default, we're going to use the blank presentation. So, sa blank presentation natin, ang meron tayo dito is yung title na slide. So, palitan natin si layout. Let's make it a blank layout. Okay? Now, first step is to insert a shape. Insert tayo, rectangle. Then, i-fill natin yung buong slide. Okay, so pwede kayo mamili ng kulay or pwede namang blue na lang muna, then later on natin siya palitan. This will serve as your background. Next, I'm going to insert another shape. This will be used for your Picasso na, para medyo maano natin yung image natin. So I'm going to use a rectangular or rounded rectangle. So, going to size this one. Siguro, ayan. Kahit anong size to class palitan ko lang ng fill. Let me change it in a lighter blue para medyo kita natin. And then, pwede akong mag-control. Pagka-control ko, hold ko yung control. Then, i-move ko yung shape. Meron na akong another copy. Or pwede naman, gawin ninyo, Control C, then click kayo sa labas, then Control V, para meron kayong another copy. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali ang paggawa ng simpleng or pag-copy ng shape. So, resize ko lang siya in a smaller version. Pwedeng iba yung version ninyo sa version ko. Ayan. And then, another shape. Liitan ko lang siya. Another, make sure na yung spaces dito ay almost same with this one. Okay, that is proportionality. So, since ito naman ay sample lang, ay hindi ko nagagalingan. Char. Okay. Pang ano lang naman to. Testing lang natin. Pwede kayong gumawa kahit gaano kalaki yung size na bet ninyo. You may do it on your own. Different sizes may do. Ayan. Okay, so for example, I'm done with this one. Then I'm going to select all the shape. Click ko to, then hold control, select each of the shape. So, dapat naka-hold lang si control. Okay, control, select. Okay, ganun lang. Then, pwede nating i-move kung saan ninyo gusto. For example, you want it to be on the center. Then, on the format tab, you select the outline, no outline. Okay? Once done, you select all the shape by using Control A. So, ibig sabihin kasama pati yung background. Then, punta tayo kay Format. Meron dong Merge Shape. Then, click Combine. Okay, so ito na yung background natin. Then, we're going now to insert our portrait. So, insert, Pictures. Meron ako ditong portrait. Sige, ito na lang gamitin ko, si portrait kanina. So, expand ko siya. By expanding, para hindi mawala yung, maging pixelated, click nyo lang si Shift, then Resize. Okay? Shift, then Resize. Once natapos na kayo mag-resize, then bitawan nyo na yung Shift. And then, bring it backward. Ayan na. Then, kayo na bahala kung ano yung gagawin ninyo dun sa image ninyo, kung paano nyo siya ilalabas as Picasso style. So, pwede nyo rin siyang i-resize depending on the image that you want me to see. Ayan. So, for example, this one is enough. Now, punta tayo dito sa ating ginawa kanina. So, ito yung image. This is the selected image. Ito yung parang front natin. So, once you click this one, right-click tayo, then format shape. Then, may lalabas dito na format shape options. Punta tayo kay fill. And then, we could select the gradient or pwede naman kayong gumamit ng picture na available, pattern, or slide fill. But for default, I'm going to use gradient. So, for the gradient, by default, meron siyang lalabas na ganito. Itsura, pwede siyang bilinear, radial, rectangular, path. Kayo bahala mamili. So, maybe I could use the radial one. Then, dito naman sa color na to, if you want to change that color, then you may use the eyedropper. Then, you may use any of the following. So, for example, this one, gusto mo medyo lighter. Makikita nyo naman kung ano yung nagbabago na part ng ating image. So, for the black one, so etong part siya niyan. If radial. Okay? So, for the radial, I'm going to use this color or medyo darker. Ayan. Then, on the other hand naman, sa kabilang dulo, eyedropper tayo. Ayan, dito siya sa side na to. So, maybe I could use the color here. Ayan. Then, eto naman ay on the center. So, pwede nyo siyang galawin. Ayan. And pwede nyo ring palitan. So, from the eyedropper, for example, you want it to be medyo darker. Ayan. So, black na siya lahat. So, Control-Z lang to undo. Or if you don't want this color, then you may click Remove Gradient Stop. So, ganun na mangyayari. Okay? So, pwede kayo magpalit ng kulay na to. Maybe I could use the grayish one. Ayan. Para medyo dark and lighter. So, lumalabas pa rin yung pagiging black and white niya. Then, once done, lagyan nyo ng pirma nyo kasi gawa nyo to eh. Okay, hahanapin ko to. So, under ng insert, I'm going to add shape and then your text box. So, pwedeng lagyan nyo sa taas, pwede sa baba, pwede kahit saan, basta makikita ako. Okay, so for example, on this one, I'm going to put Picasso portrait by, lagay ko, Miss Diosa. Yan. Then, change ko na lang yung ating font. Yan. And then, syempre, font size. Yan. And then, syempre, palitan ko din. Parang pangit siya. Palitan ko din yung font. Yung font color. Gusto ko medyo yellowish. Siyempre, medyo dark to, kaya dapat medyo light yung kulay na gagamitin natin. Ayan. So, once you are done, then, ang gagawin nyo na lang is file, save as, yan, then your file name, which is _ your last name. So, ang last name ko is Luyun, then save. By default, this is under ng pptx or .ppt. Okay? Hindi PDF, hindi Word, hindi kahit na ano. Kung hindi, yung default niya, which is the pptx or the .ppt. So, ito na yung magiging output natin. Okay? So, pwede nyo siyang ilagay. Kung ayaw nyo sa center, pwedeng sa gilid, pwedeng sa kaliwa, pwedeng sa kanan. Kayo ang bahala. So, ayan po ang finished project natin, which is the Picasso portrait, which will fall under your performance task number 1.